Hi and hello everyone. In this video, we're gonna learn some important places from English to Tamil, and I will teach you how to pronounce this, all the names in Tamil, and you have to pronounce this, all the letters along with me. So let's get started this video from English to Tamil, the important places of Tamil. So let's get into the video. So first thing we are going to represent, so we are going to pronounce the place called the college. So college is the place where all the youngsters and all the adults were used to study for the higher studies. So this college represents Kalluri. So if you have to tell college in Tamil, you have to tell Kalluri, Kalluri. So Kalluri means college in Tamil. So Kalluri represents college. And by the way, if you want to go to hospital for emergency, we'll assume if you ask someone else for a help where to get to hospital. So you can say, where's the Maruthuvamanai? So this hospital represents Maruthuvamanai. So M-A-R-U-T-H-U, Maruthu, V-A-M-A-N-A-I, Vamanai. So Maruthuvamanai represents hospital in Tamil. Well, assume if you're studying in schools or some more years back, you have been a kid, you were a kid, so you have been studied in a school, so that school represents Pallikudam, Pallikkoodam. So this Pallikudam represents school in Tamil. So if you want to say school in Tamil, you have to pronounce this as Pallikudam. So Pallikudam represents school in Tamil. Well, if you are staying in a house, so that house represents Vidu. You have to pronounce this as Vidu, V-E-E-D-U. So this Vidu means house in Tamil. Well, assume if you have stayed in a hostel or in a resort, so that represents Vidudhi, V-I-D-U-D-H-I, Vidudhi. So you have to pronounce this as Vidudhi, Vidudhi, Vidu plus D called Vidudhi. So Vidudhi means hostel in Tamil. Well, assume if you go for the shop to purchase something in a store, so that shop represents Kadai in Tamil. So if you want to tell shop in Tamil, so you can say Kadai. So this Kadai means shop in Tamil. So you have to pronounce this as say K-A-D-A-I, Kadai, Kadai. So you have to pronounce this as Kadai, K-A-D-A-I, Kadai means shop in Tamil. And by the same way, if you want to get time passed, well, if you want to relieve your stress, you will go to park or somewhere like the slidings and swings are over there for the kids. So you can say it as Punga, P-O-O-N-G-A. So that park where we used to play and where we used to relax our time, that park represents Punga in Tamil. You have to pronounce this as Punga, P-O-O-N-G-A, Punga, Punga. So Punga represents park in Tamil. So by the same way, if you want to eat in a hotel, you'll go to some resort in a big hotel. Well, if you stay in a hotel, that represents Unavu Vidudi. So this hotel represents where we go to eat some foods. So that hotel represents Unavu Vidudi. I mean, this hotel means resort. That means the resort. If you want to say resort in Tamil, you have to say Unavu Vidudi. Unavu Vidudi. So Unavu Vidudi means resort in Tamil. Sorry, I have mistaken this as a hotel. Well, or else you can see resort. R-E-S-O-R-T. So this resort represents U-N-A-V-U. Unavu. Unavu means food in Tamil. Vidudi means the place where we eat. So that place is called Vidudi. As you have seen the place called hostel, so this place is called staying. So where we stay? Vidudi. So that same Vidudi will apply here to the resort. So if you want to say resort in Tamil, that represents Unavu Vidudi. Well, Unavu means food and Vidudi means the place where you eat, and that place is called Vidudi. So Unavu plus Vidudi represents resort or hotel in Tamil. So you have to pronounce this as Unavu Vidudi. Unavu Vidudi. So this Unavu Vidudi means resort in Tamil, and by the same thing, if you want to go to cinema where you have to see some recent movies, where you can watch your latest and your favorite movies, that cinema theater, and you will call it a cinema theater, that cinema theater is called Thirai Arangam. Thirai, Thirai, Arangam, Arangam. So Thirai means where you will see the picture, the movies, that screen that is called. So that screen is called Thirai. So Thirai means where you watch the movie, that screen. So that screen represents Thirai in Tamil. And Arangam means the place where you watch the movies. That place is called Arangam. So Thirai plus Arangam represents cinema theater in Tamil. So we call a cinema theater in English. So this cinema theater is called Thirai Arangam. You have to pronounce this as Thirai, 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 Arangam, Arangam. Thirai Arangam. Thirai Arangam means cinema theater in Tamil. Alright? So let's pronounce from the first one. College, Kalluri. And by the same way, hospital, Maruthuva Manai. And school, Palli Kudam. House, Vidu. And hostel, Vidudi. Vidudi. And shop, where you purchase something, Kadai. Kagai, Kadai. And park, where you go to relax ourselves, and that park is called Ponga, Ponga. You have to pronounce this as Ponga. And hotel or resort, where we go to eat, where we order food, so that place is called Unavu Vidudi. Unavu means food. Unavu means food in Tamil, and Vidudi means the place where we used to eat. So that hotel, that resort will combine this Unavu plus Vidudi. So this Unavu plus Vidudi, Unavu Vidudi. So Unavu Vidudi means resorts in Tamil. Cinema theater, where we used to go to watch movies. So that cinema theater is called Thirai Arangam. Arangam. Thirai Arangam means cinema theater in Tamil. College, Kalluri. Hospital, Maruthuvamanai. School, Pallikodam. House, Vidu. Hostel, Vidudi. Shop, Kadai. Park, Ponga. Resort, Unavu Vidudi. And cinema theater, Thirai Arangam. Good job. Well, I hope you guys have all pronounced along with me. If you want to know more videos, subscribe to our channel. So whatever the words you should know, leave them in the comment section below. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. Until then, we'll see you in the next video with some more concepts. Until then, take care. Bye.